Hey, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to lock and unlock your keyboard on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about how to lock your keyboard. It's really simple. All you need to do is head over to your physical keyboard and find the Shift key. Now, press and hold that Shift key for about 8 seconds. You'll hear a long beep, and a message will pop up on your screen. It's the Ease of Access Keyboard Settings prompt. Go ahead and click Yes to lock your keyboard. Once you've done that, you'll notice that your keyboard won't respond when you try to type, which means it's locked. Now, to unlock your keyboard, you're going to do pretty much the same thing. Go back to your keyboard, press and hold the Shift key again for about 8 seconds, and listen for that long beep. After that, your keyboard will be unlocked, and you can type as usual. And that's it. You've just learned the simplest way to lock and unlock your keyboard on Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.